Hi there, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing good. So today we are going to see build triggers, and in this today we will see Paul SCM. So let's get started with today's video. So this is my first job that I have created. So if I'll go to configuration of this, so here you can see general source code, and here third option you can see triggers. So using triggers you can start your build at a specific event or at a particular time. So here if you will click Poll SCM, so in schedule you can see there are some tutorials that you can see. So here minute, hour, date of month and date of week you can define. So you can read and go through this how you can define. So here example is also given, you can see every 15 minutes if you want to run. So now let's save this. 8 you can see, so I have set in every 5 minutes. So one job is a run, you can see 9. So here let me change one now file in build so that it can reflect in Jenkins. So here I'm just creating one file, let's say build sim.txt, and here just write test build.triggers, and let's commit the changes. So here you can see that is updated. So now let's go to Jenkins, and now you can see 10 build is started. So basically Poll SCM checks if there is any changes in your git repo, so then it triggers a build if any change is there. So this build ran as in this build only I am creating one file and I'm committing in same repo. So after that this one is triggered as there was change in any files. Sure that no circular dependency is there, that in this build what is happening, same branch I'm fetching and changing in that, and I'm committing that. So trigger is also there, so if any change is happening, so it will again trigger, right? So that will create a circular dependency. So make sure there is no circle like this move, or you can handle like if you have more than 24 time frame, so just handle it cautiously. So here you can see commits, so this one is done. So now after that create build scm.txt was done. So now if I'll go to my first job again, so here now you can see 11th is triggered. So now let's go in 11 and console output. So let's see the commit message. So now you can see create build scm.text, now commit that is taken. So now I'm not making any change in this repo. So let's see. So I'm just showing you for some time. So now you can see there is no build is triggered after 11, as now there is no recent changes in the repo. So here you can see details also when last build was triggered or any change was done. So that's all in this video. I've shown you a very small video on Poll SCM. So is it just basically like a cron job that you can set and it will deduct any changes and trigger the build. So I hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.